Are you getting the recording failed, no audio devices found error when trying to record in voice memos on your iPhone? This issue can occur for a few reasons such as audio settings or software glitches. Here are some effective solutions to resolve the error and get voice memos working again. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check microphone permissions. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Select Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Tap Microphone and ensure that Voice Memos has permission to access the microphone. If it's disabled, toggle it on and try recording in Voice Memos. Quickly after that, check the recently deleted folder. Open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone, tap the back arrow icon, go to the recently deleted folder, try to find out your missing audio recording, and recover it from here. Solution 2. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. Sometimes connected Bluetooth devices can interfere with the iPhone's internal microphone. Go to Settings, select Bluetooth, toggle Bluetooth off or disconnect any connected devices. Open Voice Memos and check if you can record without issues. Solution 3. Update iOS. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues with the Voice Memos app. Open Settings, tap General, select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After the update, restart your iPhone and check Voice Memos again. Solution 4. Restart all settings. If the issue persists, repeating your iPhone settings may help. Open Settings, tap on General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, tap Reset all settings, confirm your choice, and your settings will be reset without affecting your data. Open Voice Memos and test recording again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix recording failed. No audio devices found error in Voice Memos. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.